ha ke tsena ke a le makatsa di-line tsa metsone di ya le ya kabatsa di-complex dictionary tlhoka go balwa and when they come to understand ba ipharasa ba ikgasakgasa ka go kgonagala le go rata go fanga dira tlatsa lebala tsa arena go tsenwa ka 5 clipper ga se go tura ke cost ya to come and sifa ke penta canvas ka molodi wa pina kana lefatshe lone le mphile matsipa experience ya go share le masika via the soul healing art ya dipina ke sedila dipelo tsa di-victim and ke fetola dipelo tsa di-blood reaper. I've been both and so as of now I take an oath ke a itse gore right now I'm not the goat but in the future I promise that I'll never boast unless necessary like a trench coat on my birth month June when temperatures are low. I like the mood of my hostiles, me against them ain't square and like a floor tile their response is futile like trying to be the richest man while on a full time. This is a major in my free time. Imagine if I do this as a full time. Ke Brooksy.